Pamper yourself and your friends and family with rounds of beef filled with savory stuffing garnished with a lemon sage drizzle. Each serving is only 279 calories. Crack your egg into a small bowl. Add your ground sage, garlic powder, and salt, whisked together. In a small mixing bowl, pour your egg mixture over your bread cubes. Add fresh cracked pepper and mix together. Spoon 1/4 of your bread cubes mixture over one end of your beef slice. Fold one end of your beef over your prepared bread cubes and roll up jelly roll style. Repeat with your other pieces of beef to make 4 beef rolls. Melt your butter in your skillet over medium heat. Arrange your 4 beef rolls in your skillet. Brown one side, turn, and continue over medium heat and brown the other side of your beef rolls. When the other side is brown, remove your beef rolls from the skillet. Sprinkle with flour and bubble for 1 minute. Add your water and mix the water with the bubbled flour to thicken. Add your ground sage, salt, and lemon juice. Add your brown beef rolls, cover, and simmer over low heat for 20 minutes. To serve, cut 1 beef roll crosswise into thick rounds and arrange on a plate. Drizzle a little lemon sage sauce over top and garnish with dried parsley. And here is your serving of under 300 calories beef roll-ups. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.